Hill Descent Control helps maintain your vehicle's speed without needing to press the brake pedal while driving down a steep hill. The system is designed to optimize driver control when descending steep hills. Hill Descent Control operates when the vehicle is driving at speeds between 3 and 20 km per hour, when driving down a steep hill, and when the accelerator and brake pedals are not being used. The brake lights will automatically turn on while the system is on operation. However, the system may not operate when driving down a gentle slope. To see if Hill Descent Control is active, check the Hill Descent Control indicator. A green Hill Descent Control icon indicates that the system is on. The system will activate when descending a steep slope and may even activate if the vehicle leans forward when driving over uneven surfaces. To activate Hill Descent Control, simply press the Hill Descent Control button when driving at speeds below 20 km per hour. When the Hill Descent Control button is pressed, the system goes into standby mode and the Hill Descent Control indicator, located in the instrument cluster, turns white. When all operating conditions are met, the Hill Descent Control indicator turns green and the system activates and begins to maintain the vehicle's speed when driving downhill. To adjust the set cruising speed, simply press the accelerator pedal or brake pedal while driving within the Hill Descent Control operating range, between 3 and 20 km per hour. You can view the current cruising speed in the instrument cluster. The vehicle speed at which you release the accelerator pedal or brake pedal will be the set Hill Descent Control speed. The Hill Descent Control indicator icon will blink when the vehicle speed exceeds the system's operating speed. To turn the system off, simply press the Hill Descent Control button again. The system will turn off automatically when the vehicle's speed exceeds 60 km per hour. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.